today we're going to be talking about taking a 2-digit number and subtracting it from a 3-digit number. Now, I'm going to start off the same way I have been, drawing a line between my ones and my tens. And I'm just going to start subtracting like I know how. So I'm going to start with my ones place and subtract 4 from 6. Well, I know 6 minus 4 is 2. So I'm going to write it. And because I don't have another number under my 1, which is in my hundreds place, I'm just going to treat this like a whole subtraction problem on its own. So I'm going to subtract 5 from 10. Well, I know what 10 minus 5 is because I know what 5 plus 5 is. 5 plus 5 is 10, so 10 minus 5 is 5. So I'm going to write that. So my answer is 52. But I want to make sure to check this one because this is really new. So remember, to check a subtraction problem, I have to add. So I would add my answer to my bottom number and see if I got my top number. So I'm just going to come over here and set it up. And I have 54 plus 52. So I know 4 plus 2 is 6. And I've already said I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So my answer over here matches my top number. So I know that this is the correct answer. Now, I want you to come down here and do this one on your own. Pause the video, and when you unpause it, we'll work on it together. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a line. And I'm going to start with my ones and just subtract like I know how. So I know 3 minus 2 is a 1. And over here, I'm going to treat this whole thing like its own problem. So I'm going to say 11 minus 6, which I'm going to count backwards on. So I have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I have a 5 over here. So my answer is 51, but I'm going to check it. So I'm going to come over here and write my answer plus my bottom number and see if it equals my top number. So I'm going to write that over here. And I'm going to add my 1 and my 2, I know is 3. And then my 5 and my 6, well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1 more with the 6 is 11. So my answer here matches my top number up here. So I know 51 is the correct answer.